Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. What I want to talk about in today's video is a very, very powerful antioxidant that you may see on the market now, and it's...
well, no, I'm not.
I'm recording.
Oh, I'm sorry. Whoops.
Not again.
So, it's...
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. In this video I want to talk about a very, very powerful supplement called N-Acetyl Cysteine. It's actually amino acid, and the base of N-Acetyl Cysteine is actually L-Cysteine. Now, L-Cysteine is an antioxidant, and it's actually a precursor to an even better antioxidant called glutathione. Now, taking N-Acetyl Cysteine and improving your glutathione levels will have a great impact in the overall body. It's good for brain function, it's good for lung function, it's good for liver detoxifier. It helps with the respiratory system to decrease the excess mucus being produced. So it does clean up the system as a whole. Now, we do make it in small amounts, but we don't make it enough to have a big impact on our system. Plus, at the same time, if you are toxifying your system, what you're doing, you're not making enough to combat those effects. So, L-cysteine is a precursor for glutathione, which glutathione in your body converts to SAMe. Now, SAMe is a precursor in the brain for dopamine, in the brain serotonin, in the brain GABA. These are all neurotransmitters that are actually improve brain function. So you can see here, by taking L-cysteine, you are going to with this conversion pathway will help the body overall. And also too, N-Acetyl Cysteine is a good protectant from alcohol. Okay, now when we have alcohol is a poison to the body, and actually a hangover is trace amounts of alcohol poisoning. So by taking N-Acetyl Cysteine, it will be a hangover cure. Okay, so let me talk about this for a second. So it's a powerful antioxidant. It will help boost the immune system. So when we have sickness, illness, and disease, we have a decreased production of glutathione. Now, glutathione is a powerful antioxidant produced in the liver. So by taking N-Acetyl Cysteine, it helps boost your immune system. Second, promotes detoxification. Now, with every drug that we take, whether it be a recreational drug or a prescription drug, what that does, it actually boggles down the liver. It ceases the formation of glutathione from occurring. So by taking N-Acetyl Cysteine, it will help the production of glutathione. Also, when people are called into the emergency room because they overdose, acetaminophen overdoses, or too much Tylenol, they give N-Acetyl Cysteine intravenously to help clean up the liver. So it's good for liver detoxification. Also too, believe it or not, it increases male fertility. Now, when a male has a low sperm count, oftentimes his body has severe DNA damage due to being toxic, that by taking N-Acetyl Cysteine, it will help clean out your system through the liver pathway, glutathione. It will actually increase the male sperm count. So also too, balances out blood sugars. Now, what also does, it helps reduce the vascular damage due to too much circulation of insulin. When we take in too much sugar, okay, the pancreas has to release insulin. The function of insulin is to help bring down the blood glucose. However, insulin promotes inflammation within the arterial walls. So by taking N-Acetyl Cysteine, it will help decrease the vascular damage. It will help lower the levels of glucose, and also too, lower the chances of being insulin resistant. Also too, phenomenal for respiratory conditions. This helps clean up the respiratory system, helps clean up the mucus. It works as a phenomenal expirant, okay? That will help break down the mucus. So it will lower the symptoms of even events of wheezing, of respiratory attacks, of asthma, things like that. So again, it will help with it will help break up the mucus. So how do you take it? Where do you find it? Okay, so again, before we take anything, I always recommend to my patients, first and foremost, let's clean up the diet. Okay, let's get you off all the stuff that's causing all of these situations. And include in your diet, it's found by in trace amounts, foods like chicken, eggs, turkey, sunflower seeds, pork, and legumes. Okay, so clean up your diet, take away all the foods that toxify your system, and include these foods within your diet. Now, Supplementation. The key thing is that N-Acetyl Cysteine is an amino acid, so amino acids are best absorbed on an empty stomach. My recommendation is 1,000 milligrams first thing in the morning on an empty stomach as soon as you roll out of bed. Take the N-Acetyl Cysteine, wait about half hour before you take in your first food product. Now, I'm not promoting any type of product line, but people ask me what brand do I take. So it doesn't matter that, I mean, again, you always want to make sure the quality of the brand is phenomenal. So let me see if I can get a focus on that. There we go. Okay, SourceNat, there we go. Okay, this is the brand that I take in, right here. So I take in every morning from Source Naturals, roll out of bed, empty stomach. I take 1,000 milligrams of N-Acetyl Cysteine before I eat my meals. So N-Acetyl Cysteine is a very phenomenal antioxidant for the body. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Hello, this is Dr. Jawad. Please subscribe to my channel for more up-to-date videos, and thanks for watching.